In 1943, a U.S. Navy warship reportedly vanished, not destroyed, not sunk, just gone. And when it reappeared minutes later, what the sailors witnessed turned this experiment into one of the most terrifying mysteries in scientific history. They called it Project Rainbow, but the world knows it as the Philadelphia Experiment, a mission to achieve the impossible, using electricity and magnetic fields to make an entire warship invisible to enemy eyes. As the generators roared to life, the air around the USS Eldridge began to twist and ripple, like reality itself was bending. Then everything went silent. A blinding flash of blue-green light shot across the harbor, and the Eldridge disappeared from Philadelphia. Minutes later, sailors hundreds of kilometers away in Norfolk reported something impossible, a ghostly ship flickering in and out of existence before vanishing once again. When the Eldridge finally returned to Philadelphia, something was wrong, terribly wrong. Some crew members were dazed, others were missing entirely, and according to chilling testimonies, a few sailors were found fused into the metal hull itself, as if the ship had swallowed them. Within hours, the Navy denied everything. Files were buried, witnesses silenced. The official story: no experiment ever took place. But why erase a project that supposedly failed? But unless it actually worked. Even today, strange lights are seen near the old naval yard, and unexplained radar signals appear for seconds, then vanish. Some believe the USS Eldridge never truly came back, that it's still drifting somewhere between dimensions. So what do you think? A scientific breakthrough, or the world's most haunted experiment gone terrifyingly wrong?